Shayla. This is our bus, Dorothy. It's a 1998 Bluebird TC 2000. It's 37.5 feet long, so come on inside. This is our home. This is the living area. We were in a camper when we started out full-timing, and we learned what we needed in a small space by being in a camper first. So one of my big demands was that our family of 6 can all sit on the couch together, and so we got our big couch. It's perfect, lots of storage underneath, propane RV furnace under the couch as well. Here's the kids area. They eat there, they hang out there. It's amazing how much a small cabinet can hold. It seems like a small cabinet, but it holds all of their books and school supplies and such, so it holds a lot of space. 1970s lamp. Love this thing. I like to show off up front. We have our giant bookcase up here, and then we have this table here that swings up out of the way so that Jonathan can still access the doghouse. So that's one of my favorite little gadgets in the bus. Although it knocks buttons off all the time. That's okay. We have our dog bowls. They weren't with us when we started out full-timing, so they've been an added figure out where the dog shit goes. And then this is our kitchen. I spend almost all my time in the kitchen, so it's really important that I have lots of space to cook. Having 4 burners and an oven is super important and vital for my cooking. So that's propane, and then we have the apartment-sized fridge. We can stock a little over a week's worth of food in it. What else is in the kitchen? Lots of storage, lots and lots of cabinet storage. Over here is one of my favorite things in the kitchen. We have our dish drying cabinet. So there's a rack here, so you just put your wet dishes up there and they just dry down into the sink. I love that. And we have dedicated dish space too, like dishes just live here, except for when we drive. We have our Rollout Pantry here. It was kind of an afterthought. We ended up with a few inches and we're like, let's make some storage space out of it. We have that. And I put these little shoe things everywhere, like inside every cabinet that I possibly can. It holds extra stuff. And we have, this is just a wall on, here, let's switch spaces so I can show you that space. So on this side is our shower. A pretty big shower for a bus. That was my husband's demand. So pretty big shower. Yellow because I have to paint everything. It's an addiction. Oh. And then
I like the way you did this wall.
So they come, it's a tile. It comes like this, like that's one piece, and they just stick up on the wall.
Cool.
So easy. They're amazing. On this side we have the potty room, composting toilets. We love it. Would never switch. Absolutely our favorite. And now we can switch back, and I can show you back this way. On this side here is our bathroom sink. We did go ahead and do 2 sinks. We debated on it for a while, but we're glad that we did, because then kids can wash their hands here and not mess with the dishes and stuff. So this is our master bed. It's not even a full size. It's 48 inches wide and a full is 54. So it works fine for us, and we even have the giant dog sleeping with us. So it's been fine for us. Lots of storage. There's side tables built in here. Jonathan's tiny little side table there. Here's the master closet. I think it's 5 feet long by 2 foot deep, so it holds a ton of stuff. It's always a mess. Organized chaos. Let's see, what do we have? Right back here is our laundry hamper. I originally wanted a trap door into one of the bays for my laundry, and then we got solar, and it stole my space, so I didn't get my laundry that I wanted, but this works. This unlatches, and the kids bag it all up for me. That works. Hairbrush storage. And up here is our control panel for all of our solar and our thermostat and all that good stuff. That's a super important corner there. Right, we're entering the bunk room here, and this is the door to the bunk room. So we can shut off the kids or shut off the noise or whatever needs to be shut off. And this is the bunk room. The curtain lets some light in. It's dark back here. So we have 4 kids. We have 2 that are full-time with us. So this is Jackson, he's 8. This is Sadie's bunk, she's 6. They're full-time with us. Down here we have my 16-year-old Jaden's bed, and then we have my 14-year-old daughter Natalie's bed, which is folded up right now because they're not with us right now. So when they're with us, we plop that down, and everybody has a bed, and everybody's happy. And I did recently add these curtains. Super happy with. They are super happy to have their privacy.
Yep.
Yeah. And over here in this corner we have the kids' closet, which is also organized chaos, but it holds a lot of stuff. So try to use every inch that we possibly can in here. And that's our home.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, boss.
Thank you very much. We enjoy it very, very much.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.